Hi guys, welcome on the channel. Today I just got the charger discharger that I have bought. You see it is VariCore VRC2 and in the package I got the USB adapter for the 220 volts, and when we unbox this charger you have this charger in the nice cover. You see it's good for the traveling, and you have the USB cable, so we have everything we need. We can plug it in, put it to the dose, and we can start the VariCore charger. I think for the unboxing it is very nice. I think also the charger is pretty cool, and it's not only the charger but it's also the discharger. As you can see here on the table, you can charge the nickel metal hydride and nickel metal cadmium 2 times with half amp. If you are charging lithium ion batteries, it will actually charge by 3 modes. You can pick half ampere, 1 ampere, 2 amperes. If you have only one cell inside, it can charge the 2 amps. If you have 2 of them, it will charge each only 1 amp. I think it is fine. When you see the 1 ampere mode, when you have 1 ampere 2 times, it's no problem. 1 time 1 ampere, it will be charging both with the same amperage. On the A port, it is the first one, you can actually also discharge. It is possible only on this port. I have picked one test battery. It is the lithium ion, and you can see when you put it in, we are in the charging modus. With the A button you can change how many amps you would like to charge. So starting is half amp, then 1 amp, then 2 amps, and the charging will be ready. When you read the manual, which is also in the box, you can check it. There is a lot of information and how to set up, for example, the discharge. So when you press A and C button together, you see there is test, and when you push 2 times 8, it should be doing. I think I was too slow. I think now it is just charging. Okay, then we need to. Now it is discharging. It needs to be really fast. When you are too slow, it's not doing anything. And you can see it is discharging. And the discharge mode, it is only half amp. So only half amp you can discharge, but it will measure the capacity, and you will see it here in the corner. You have the time and the milliamp hours, how much it is actually discharged. The discharge mode, it will go up to 2.8 volt, which is, I think, quite good for the lithium ion, and I think it is very satisfying. You can actually see like the ampere, like the voltage are dropping fast, and this cell is very weak, even when it's new one, but definitely it's not this capacity. I have tested it once and on another charger, and it was only 1.7 ampere hours. You see also the age, it's not a small one, so this one is definitely not the real capacity, maybe only something like, you know, the producer name or whatever. I am very happy with this function of this small device. The price, it was very good price. It looks okay, I think, for the traveling, when you need to charge the battery, maybe for your flashlight or something. It is very good one, very good one. So thank you for watching. If you want to buy, the link is in the description below, and you can use the link and support the channel, and I will be very happy. Thank you and bye bye.